see a red light. All right, well, thanks for inviting me out for this video project.
Yeah, thanks for coming out. So we're doing a thing on consent.
Okay.
And we would like to know from you, what is your working definition of consent?
Working definition of consent.
Right.
For me, I would say that it's like an agreement or understanding between two people so that they're both comfortable and know what to expect from something.
Right, okay, so to give an example, is this your bag?
Yes.
Can I see your bag?
Yes.
Thank you. So, it's a cool bag.
Thank you.
Nice science is gendered button there. So, let's see what's up.
Okay, wait, hold on.
What?
So you just started going through my bag. I just said you could see it.
I did. Well, you said that I could see it, so I did see it.
Yeah.
And so what you're saying from this, I'm going to put this back, I'm not going to keep going on.
Mm-hmm.
So it sounds like the definition that you've given also needs a clear definition of consent.
Yeah. I guess yeah. I expected that you would look at the bag, but not go through it. So like one thing doesn't actually like lead to another.
No, it doesn't at all. And it's kind of gray like that in actual life as well.
Mm-hmm. I see that.
Yeah.
That makes a lot of sense. Actually, you know, like I'm thinking of something else. Can I maybe try an example?
Sure, I love examples.
All right. So is that your hoodie over there?
That is definitely my hoodie. That is my coffee.
May I borrow your hoodie?
Absolutely. Here's my hoodie.
Thank you. I'm gonna borrow it.
Okay.
And we'll come back. We'll pretend it's the next day now.
Okay, it's the next day.
Okay. It's the next day. Thank you for letting me borrow your hoodie.
Sure, anything.
It was a lot of help.
Good, good. Glad to know.
Oh man, it looks like it's gonna rain again.
Oh, it is raining. Portland.
Serious. All right. Well, I should get going. So
All right.
I'm just gonna go ahead and get on my way then. So.
Wait. I gave you consent yesterday about my hoodie. This is today. This is a whole different thing.
Totally. I mean, it's not the same thing.
No, that was time-based. There is an expiration date to the consent I gave you.
I
and
see.
that was yesterday. It is expired.
Okay.
So this is my hoodie. So it sounds like we've got two things now.
Mm-hmm.
We've got a working definition that gives clear consent.
Mm-hmm.
And we've got a working definition that gives a time expiration date times.
Yeah.
Which brings us to you and what we're doing here in the first place. We would like for you to send us your clear definitions of clear consent. Send it to the address listed here, and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you, and thank you.
Thank you.
Is that done?
All right. Well, thanks for inviting me to your video project here.
Yeah, it's our video project.
Cool.
Yeah, so we're doing a thing on consent, and we're wondering, well, not we, all of us. Let's try that again.
Okay.
And
From the top.
right there.
All right. Well, thanks for inviting me to the video project.
Yeah, thank you for coming out.
Yeah.
We're doing a project on consent, and I want to know what consent is to you. Could you give us a working definition of consent?
You got it. So a working definition of consent, I would say, for me, it'd be like an agreement or like an understanding between two people of what to expect and to make sure that everyone's comfortable.
Okay, so when you mean by comfort, can I try an example?
Yeah.
So is that your bag?
Yes.
That's your bag. Can I see your bag?
Yes, you can.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks.
Mhm.
All right, so I'm gonna look at your bag here. How cool, there's a button here that says science is gendered. That's cool. I'm gonna just kind of see about what's in here. This.
Okay, wait. I mean, I said you could look at the bag. I guess I didn't think you were going to go all the way through it. I'm not totally cool with that.
Right. Well, yeah, you did say that I could look at the bag, so I'm looking at the bag. So it sounds to me, thank you.
Of course.
So it sounds to me that we need a clear definition of what consent is to you.
Right, yeah, because consenting to one thing
Right.
doesn't mean that I'm consenting to all other things that may be related to this.
Right, exactly. So I heard you say that I could have the bag, and so you gave me the bag.
Right.
I feel that we're friends and we're cool, and so I'm
Mhm.
going to look at the bag, and you know, you've got a cool button I could relate with, and since it's in my hands, I'm going to go through it.
And turns out I was not totally cool with that.
Yeah, and so it's good for me to know.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It's my responsibility to ask you what that means.
I like that.
Okay.
You know, actually, I have another idea. Do you mind if I try an example?
Sure, I love examples.
All right. So, do you have like a coat or something?
Yeah, I'm a hoodie guy today. I've
Hoodie.
got my hoodies, and it's also sweat day. I'm wearing sweats. Gotta have sweat day.
It is.
There's my hoodie.
It is a hoodie day.
It's a hoodie day.
Awesome. Well, thanks for. May I borrow your hoodie?
Yes, sure.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thanks for letting me borrow your hoodie.
Sure, sure.
I'm gonna leave. We'll come back. We'll pretend maybe it's the next day.
It's the next day.
Okay.
Oh, look at this. New day.
New day. And this new day looks like it's gonna rain. All
It's
right.
definitely gonna rain. Oh, Portland.
That is. I'm not excited about that. You know. So I'm gonna have to get going soon.
Okay.
So thanks for meeting with me. But
That was yesterday that I gave you. That today's a whole new day.
yeah, but I mean, like, you said it was okay yesterday. I mean, I can just do it again, right?
No.
All right.
Not at all. My consent has a expiration date,
I see.
and that was yesterday.
I see.
Today, you may ask.
Yeah, and I will ask.
Would you like to try asking?
May I borrow your hoodie again?
Yes, you may.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Sure.
I'm
Enjoy
prepared
it.
for the rain.
I don't care. I'm a Portlander.
Awesome.
Okay, so that brings us to the thing. This comes to you. We would like to know from you what your working definition is of consent, what it looks like, what works for you, any examples you can come up with. And if you would just leave, send it to us on the address and directions that are in this blog. And we're getting a collection for everybody so we can all see what this looks like. Thank you for your time, and thank you.
Thank you.
All right, cool. I should